The production of Biodenatum Super Active takes place at a state-of-the-art, full-cycle facility certified to the International GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, standard. We adhere to the strict protocols of the Japanese pharmaceutical industry, as confirmed by the official certification of the Japan Health Industry Association. Before entering the sterile zone, staff undergo an air shower that removes the finest dust particles and microbes. Garments are treated with a special roller. Hands are washed, disinfected, and dried in a closed-loop sanitary system. All for absolute purity. Now we are inside the sterile zone. Here, under the supervision of specialists, Biodenatum Super Active is born. No compromises. Only sterility, precision, and safety. An automated line doses the bioactive composition with jewel-like accuracy. Every sachet is hermetically sealed and protected from the external environment. After filling, the sachets are hand-packed into signature boxes. Final control is carried out manually, from person to person. Each package is precisely weighed. Weight control guarantees stable dosing in every single unit. The final stage, labeling, an individual batch number and expiration date, ensuring full transparency and traceability. Biodenatum Super Active is not just a postbiotic. It is a product manufactured in compliance with GMP standards and certified by the Japan Health Industry Association. The #1 product in Japan, recognized by leading experts as a key solution for supporting health and longevity of the Japanese nation. The product of the future, made in Japan, trusted by millions.